Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel app, select the shape, select the redas, change the color. Then select another shape, save the shape. To back the color weight, select the erase color, adjust the shape, select the 3D shape, extension, copy the shape. Then select the text edit, change the background color, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.